time for another tech tip with Appliance Video. Today we're going to take a look at the best push mower for under $350. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Okay, we've looked through tons, and I mean tons, of push mowers for the very best one. With the highest safety features, durability, maneuverability, and affordability, all under $350. We think we found the perfect push mower, the Troy-built 550EX. While this 2-in-1 gas push mower has the standard features of a mower at this price point, it also includes some features that comparable mowers lack. Some of its features include a tri-action cutting system, faster turning, better traction, and a cutting height adjustment from 1.25 inches to 3.75 inches. While it is fairly standard, it is reliable and cheap. $350 is true value. Regardless of the quality of the product, you will eventually need some replacement parts. There are many manufacturers that come and go in the industry, leaving customers that cannot get replacement parts for their mowers. This is why you should always consider brands that have been in the industry for many years, such as Troy-Bilt, Toro, Honda, and Craftsman. These companies have been around for many years and will likely make replacement parts for as long as you own your lawnmower. Hey, if this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.